STILLEN Chicane series rotors offer performance, durability, and style designed to work with your stock calipers. Chicane series rotors offer a unique directional S-slot design that offers improved performance over solid-face rotors. Initial pad bite is improved. Brakes run cooler under hard and frequent use. Outgassing improves, along with braking performance in both wet and dry conditions. These performance rotor upgrades directly replace the factory rotors with no modifications required. The STILLEN Chicane rotors work well with OE brake pads, or, for even greater braking performance, combine STILLEN Chicane rotors with high-performance brake pads. STILLEN Chicane rotors offer an excellent opportunity to improve the looks of your vehicle, performance, and safety. Contact STILLEN today to find the best brake solutions for your vehicle.